Okay. Alright, sinong panalo? Uy, parang panalo ulit ako. Evelyn! Ayan, panalo. Ayan. Guess how many this one, guys? Guess how many stones? Okay. Ayan, may 25 Gcash, panalo. Ayan, i-guess nyo guys kung magkano to. Guess how many stones is this? Ayan. Ayan, sino ang manalo? Left or right? Sige na, mag-comment kayo. Gusto nyo manalo? 25 Gcash. 25 Gcash. 1. Ayan. I-guess nyo guys, there are 48 stones divided in 2, depende how much here. How many stones is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 17 ulit ito. 17 ulit to. Let's try how many the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 lang, talo. Talo siya, guys. Ako naman ang panalo. It's my day. Ayan. 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 Asmer tayo. Ay. Where's the last one? Okay, where is it? So, since ako ang panalo, ayan, ayan, baba naman kayo ng bahay dyan. So, tapos na guys, ipin ko si Chris ulit. Ayan. Where is si Chris? Cooking with Rahila. Chris Guppy, sis Chris. Alright. So, thank you sis Evelyn. Nakatambay lang yung isa sa'yo. Alright. I'm playing again. Okay. So, I win. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. Walay kontra. Akura. Okay. Permi lang way kontra. Alright. Let's see how this happen. Okay. So, let's do this.